Who is Galileo Galilei? Galileo Galilei was an Italian physicist, mathematician, and astronomer who lived during the 16th and 17th centuries. He is considered one of the most important figures in the history of science, and his discoveries and contributions to the field of astronomy revolutionized the way we understand the universe. Born in 1564 in Pisa, Italy, Galileo was the son of a musician and studied at the University of Pisa, where he initially studied medicine. However, he became fascinated with mathematics and physics and began to pursue these subjects instead. In 1609, Galileo built his own telescope and began to observe the night sky. He discovered 4 of Jupiter's moons, which provided the first direct evidence of celestial bodies orbiting something other than the Earth. He also observed the phases of Venus, which provided further evidence for the heliocentric model of the solar system proposed by Copernicus. Galileo's observations challenged the prevailing geocentric model of the universe, which placed the Earth at the center of the solar system. His findings were controversial and were met with resistance from the Catholic Church, which supported the geocentric model. In 1632, Galileo published his book Dialogue concerning the two chief world systems, which presented arguments for the heliocentric model and criticized the geocentric model. The book was seen as a direct challenge to the Church's authority, and Galileo was brought before the Inquisition, a Catholic court that had the power to try and punish heretics. Galileo was found guilty of heresy and was placed under house arrest for the rest of his life. Despite this, he continued to work on scientific projects, and his discoveries and contributions to science continued to have a significant impact. In addition to his work in astronomy, Galileo also made important contributions to the field of physics. He was the first to study the motion of objects under the influence of gravity, and his work on the laws of motion laid the foundation for the modern study of mechanics. Galileo was also a skilled mathematician, and his work on the mathematics of motion helped to develop the field of calculus. His work on the measurement of time and the development of the pendulum clock also had a significant impact on the field of horology. Galileo's legacy as a scientist and thinker continues to inspire people around the world. His commitment to the pursuit of truth and his willingness to challenge established beliefs and authority have made him an enduring symbol of intellectual courage and scientific discovery. Today, Galileo is recognized as one of the most important figures in the history of science, and his discoveries and contributions to the field continue to influence our understanding of the universe. His work helped to establish the scientific method as a means of inquiry and discovery, and his legacy continues to inspire scientists and thinkers around the world. Galileo's impact on science and society has been far-reaching and long-lasting. His work helped to lay the foundation for modern science and to establish the scientific method as a rigorous means of inquiry and discovery. He also challenged the authority of the Church and other established institutions, helping to pave the way for new ideas and modes of thinking. Galileo's legacy as a champion of scientific inquiry and intellectual freedom has inspired countless scientists and thinkers over the centuries. His commitment to the pursuit of knowledge and truth has made him a symbol of scientific discovery and intellectual courage. In addition to his scientific contributions, Galileo was also an accomplished writer and philosopher. His works on the nature of reality and the relationship between science and religion continue to be studied and debated by scholars around the world. Today, Galileo's discoveries and contributions to science continue to have a profound impact on our understanding of the universe. His work on the laws of motion and the mechanics of objects under the influence of gravity laid the foundation for modern physics, while his observations of the night sky helped to establish the field of astronomy. His legacy as a scientist and thinker serves as a reminder of the power of curiosity, observation, and reason in the pursuit of knowledge and understanding.